River Lady here, and today I'd like to do a quick video about terminal buds on your hydrangea bush stems. Terminal buds are these larger buds at the ends of long stems. And what terminal buds do is they exert a dominance over the stem. Oops, sorry about that. So that these smaller buds, here you can see that I have a nice little bud growing, but he's not going to have a chance because the terminal bud will keep him in check and only the terminal bud will bloom. It's not a bad thing leaving the terminal bud on the stem. I like to get as many blossoms as possible, so I like to remove the terminal bud and give all the little buds along the stem a chance to blossom. And all I do is just snip it off. That's it, nothing to it. Happy gardening!